Kdenlive Chromakey effect. What you just saw with the animated clapperboard was an example of using chroma keying. This quick tutorial shows you how to apply a chroma key effect using Kdenlive. Kdenlive is a free open source video editor available for Linux, Windows, and Intel-based Macs. Chroma keying is where you remove backgrounds of a similar color. Chroma keying is also referred to as green screen or blue screen. The most familiar application of green screen is probably your local TV weatherman. Although they sometimes use banks of flat screen monitors these days, the traditional process was to use a green screen to put a map of the weather behind the forecaster. Chroma is the Greek word for color, and in this context refers to the purity of the color. A hue with high chroma has no black, grey, or white added to it. Keying is creating areas of transparency based on a color or lightness value in an image. We'll be discussing the basic chroma key effect here. Kdenlive also has an advanced chroma key option with some additional features and adjustments. Basic chroma keying tutorial. In Kdenlive, the timeline is in the bottom section of the screen. The Clips and Effects window is on the upper left, with the Clip Monitor and Project Monitor respectively to the right of that. I've loaded up a background clip and a chroma key clip. In this example, the background clip will be the one you see behind the clip you're going to chroma key. You can find a lot of free chroma key clips at pixabay.com under green screen. In this case, we are using the animated clapperboard one as an example. The clip that will be chroma keyed will ideally have a pretty uniform solid color that can be keyed out, although you will have room for some adjustment later. Here's the process. 1. Select the clip you want to chroma key in the timeline. In the default Kdenlive view, you would put the background clip below the chroma key clip. 2. Search for chroma key in the Effects tab and drag it onto the Properties tab. 3. Click on the button that looks like an eyedropper and then click on the background of the video. This will chroma key out the background color and you should see the result immediately in the project monitor on the right. 4. If needed, use the variance slider to control the amount of background that is chroma keyed out. If the background color varies, you may need to experiment by choosing the color from a different spot and then adjusting the variance again if needed. That's about all there is to it, really. As usual, there are some helpful links below in the video description. Thanks for watching.